Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience using KeeperTax. KeeperTax, an honest review. Watch this before you subscribe. KeeperTax is a game-changing app designed to simplify tax season for freelancers, independent contractors, and gig workers. Tired of spending hours sifting through receipts and trying to decipher deductible expenses? KeeperTax automates this tedious process by connecting directly to your bank and credit card accounts. It intelligently scans your transactions, identifying potential write-offs so you don't have to. This is a huge time saver for those who lack the time or expertise to meticulously track expenses every month. One of KeeperTax's most impressive features is its proactive approach to finding deductions you might otherwise miss. The app sends daily text messages alerting you to potential write-offs, allowing you to quickly confirm or deny them with minimal effort. It then automatically categorizes these expenses for tax reporting purposes, streamlining the entire process. For anyone self-employed or running a small business, this feature alone can significantly reduce the stress associated with tax preparation. Beyond expense tracking, KeeperTax offers optional tax filing services directly through the platform. This removes much of the uncertainty and guesswork involved in preparing self-employment tax returns. Plus, their support team of human tax professionals is available to assist with any questions or complications, providing an extra layer of confidence when navigating complex tax situations. For a monthly subscription fee, KeeperTax provides unlimited expense tracking and access to tax advice. The potential savings in deductions can easily outweigh the cost of the subscription, especially for those with multiple income streams or complex financial situations. However, it's important to consider whether KeeperTax is the right fit for your specific needs. If you're a salaried employee with straightforward deductions, the app's advanced features may not provide enough added value to justify the expense. Additionally, it's important to note that KeeperTax is currently designed for US taxpayers and may not be as useful for those in other countries, as it's built around the US tax code. In conclusion, KeeperTax is a powerful tool for freelancers, contractors, and gig workers looking to maximize their deductions and minimize the time and effort spent on tax preparation. It's a comprehensive and user-friendly app that automates one of the most stressful aspects of self-employment. While it might not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with simple finances or residing outside the US, it can be a major time saver for those juggling multiple income streams and complex expense tracking. Be sure to assess your individual financial situation to determine if KeeperTax is the right solution for you.